With great power comes great responsibility. So let me tell you about these stupid Spider-Man sneakers you're all about to take an L on. What's up, Tradeblock fam? I'm ChrisCataluna. The next chapter ones. That is what we are talking about here today. Making the purchase, we're presented with the standard retro box. Black box, red logos and font, sizing sticker at the front, removing the tissue paper, reveals the shoes. First impressions, I definitely like the origin story ones better. And that's not to say that these don't look good, but these aren't those. Getting a bit into the story, let's be real. Miles Morales is the best Spider-Man. Into the Spider-Verse was groundbreaking in terms of animation, progressing the Marvel Universe timeline, and that musical score was awesome. That Sunflower joint with Post Malone and Sway Lee, that jam had a chokehold on us for at least 2 years.
You're the sunflower, you're the sunflower.
Crazy, that song came out like 4 years ago. Now, Marvel aren't strangers to sneaker collaborations, having done one with Babe, Reebok, Vans, and even Adidas, to which people really got angry. Like seriously, no one was feeling that shoe at all. Most notably, when Into the Spider-Verse movie came out for the very first time, fans realized that our protagonist, Miles Morales, was wearing the Chicago Air Jordan 1s. To conjure up the hype, Jordan Brand released the origin story Air Jordan 1s on December 14th, 2018, to much fanfare. Fast forward to May 20th, 2023, the actual release date, but it's actually a couple days before the actual drop day as of filming this video. These are the next chapter Air Jordan 1s, commemorating the theatrical release of Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, which releases on June 2nd, 2023. Now, if you were lucky, some of you were able to hit on the Nike sneaker shock drop a couple weeks back. The next chapter ones, these have a very steep retail price set at $200 USD, at tax and VAT based on where you reside. Now, they're not the $180 that we just got used to paying. Most Nike neighborhood boutiques such as Kicking It in Austin, Texas should be getting a stock run of these, but not in crazy numbers. Looking at resale just before the release, they're not hitting that crazy dollar sign yet. On Tradeblock, 169 trades have been successfully authenticated, 2,192 traders want these in their closets, and 2,656 traders have these in hand or in their closets. Now, if you're a first-time trader, you'll get 50% off of fees, and if you use the referral link in the pinned comment below, you'll get an additional $5 off. Happy trading! Getting a closer look at the shoe, the upper is created using several different pattern designs to represent the different artistic styles used in the Miles Morales movies. Suede, vinyl laminate, the plush leather at the toe. Not too sure if this is like nubuck material at the heel, but all of these panels have some sort of red, again aligning with the reds of the Chicago 1s. White leather quarter panels and vamp with the perforated holes. It's nothing too crazy. The leather quality, it's good. It is sturdy to the touch, though I do love this black Nike swoosh that's done in a patent leather that wraps around from the lateral to the medial side of the shoe. Back to the front, we have this padded white nylon mesh tongue. Crowning the tongue is a red and white woven label spelling out Nike Air. Securing the tongue down, we move on to the laces. Now, I am kind of upset that we are only presented with one set of laces done in a black color and of a flat shape. Now, don't get me wrong, the only way to properly wear any Chicago 1 variant is with black laces, but to not have the option of a sail or a red lace, it kind of hurts my heart a little bit. Moving on, the sail colored midsole, it gives it that vintage vibe. The kids love that new retro look. I'm 35, so I can say that. The glow-in-the-dark outsole is crazy, especially for the fact that it's done in red. Most glow-in-the-dark outsoles that we see are this frosty green-white color, such as the Mummy SB Dunk outsoles. Getting inside the sneaker, they stuck true with sticking with the black mesh that is padded all the way around the sneaker. You add it on the lateral, the medial, and at the heel, and it feels pretty good to the ankle. Pulling it out the insole, it's pretty lackluster, looking like every other Jordan release, done on blue foam with the fabric on top. It would have been awesome if they threw on some scenes from the movie or something. I wouldn't have minded paying the premium for that. Now, is it your first time wearing an Air Jordan 1? If so, if you're currently wearing Nikes, that's most likely going to be your size in these. These run true to size. If you don't know your size, hit up the mall, try on a sitting Jordan 1, one that's on the shelves right now, there's plenty of them right now, and then pull the trigger on these once you get fitted. In terms of comfortability, Jordan 1s aren't the most comfortable sneaker on the planet, as they're pretty flat, they offer little to no cushioning and support. And you saw the insole already, it's pretty flat as well. You can always throw in an aftermarket insole of your choice, whether it be a Heffelux or something at your grocery store. The next chapter, Air Jordan 1s. I think this is a great addition attributed to the best Spider-Man Miles Morales. The incorporation of the different textiles along with pulling from the different art styles in the animated picture and applying it to this shoe, I think they successfully hit the target. Also, I think the outsole, it's a pretty cool effect, especially since it's done in a red outsole. You would never guess that these glowed until you bring a UV light to them. Crazy stuff. At that steep $200 price point, I'm not a fan at the lack of extra laces and the lack of design on the insole. These could have really popped off. Alright guys, I think this is a great stopping point for this video. What do y'all think about the next chapter, Air Jordan 1s, to commemorate the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse movie? Do y'all like these over the origin story ones? How about over the Lost and Founds? I know, crazy, right? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Check us out on Instagram at Tradeblock, and if you enjoy these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when we upload new videos. Fight the algorithm. Download Tradeblock, available on Google Play and Apple App Store. First-time traders get 50% off of fees on their very first trade and an additional $5 off in using the referral link in the pinned comment below. Thanks for kicking it with me. I'm ChrisCataluna, and we'll check you next time. Cheers. Sige na.